All right guys, brand new video coming at you with a brand new car. We picked up a brand new car for the family, and this is a 2026 Honda Hrv. We were looking for a small compact crossover, and guys, this is the car to get, especially the 2026 redesign. I'm glad it's another Honda joining the family. And right over here we have a EXL trim, which is the top of the line trim for the Honda Hrv in 2026, and a lot of models, a lot of specs and upgrades compared to the previous models here for the Hrv. I'm not going to go in detail about all of them. I just wanted to show you guys the car, and I'm kind of excited to have another Honda, like I said. So this car, all-wheel drive model, again, EXL trim. If you guys are in the market for a small compact crossover, these are awesome. Super nice interior, very much similar to the Civic that we all fell in love with and like. So the reason I'm showing you guys this car is, again, because this car's going to be on the channel. We're going to be showing you guys maintenance items on this car when we're doing oil changes, transmission flushes, and different things. Also, we're going to be showing you guys some modifications as we're going to be changing some things or adding some things into the vehicle. We're going to be going through that, walking you guys through it. So it's gonna, you'll probably see the vehicle. So you guys will probably see the vehicle a couple times on the channel here and there. It is a 2-liter, pretty much Honda Civic engine. It is a K20 Z5 2-liter dual overhead cam. Made it to the only bad side is a CVT transmission, so we'll see how the whole CVT transmission does. But very simple to work on, as you can see. Ton of room in the engine bay. Totally reminds me of a Civic engine bay. But yeah, they're pretty good motors. Not too powerful, but you know, enough to power this small crossover. I think it has like 158 horsepower and I believe 138 wheel torque. But the 26 model does come with these awesome 18-inch wheels. They're black and brushed. All the trims are blacked out as well. It does have high gloss air canards in here that are functional. The front fascia is actually gloss here as well, so it really makes it pop on white. And yeah, it matches the whole theme. The white and black theme matches the wheels, and the car just has really good proportions in general. It's bigger than the Mazda CX-3. It's definitely better than the Toyota Corolla Cross that we looked at. Much more premium, bigger. It definitely is the right choice. And again, you got your black, gloss black plastics right over here. We're going to be modifying it a little bit, so as the time goes on, watch the channel, subscribe, and we'll show you more videos with the Honda Hrv, guys. Well, thank you for watching. Let me know if we made the right choice here picking up the Honda Hrv, guys. I'm really excited to tackle some things and projects with this car. Again, the leather is so nice looking. Leatherette. It does have a premium auto system here, which is non-branded, but it does have 8 speakers, which is nice, and more speakers than I've ever had. Dual climate control. It has a analog screen here, and on the left it does have a digital display where you can change a lot of options here. So you can see here you get all-wheel drive torque distribution, but it's nice. And the seats are pretty firm, or the seats are pretty bucket, I must say, for the small SUV. But I gotta wrap this up. We got an appointment here for our first mod, so I'll see you guys on the next video. I ain't here for the money.